Why don't you come one afternoon to the bowling club? Lawn bowling is for anyone who likes to have some fun. We'll have a game, a friendly game, ladies and gentlemen. Lawn bowling is a lot of fun. It rejuvenates your heart. It makes you feel you're like a champ right from the very start. Ladies and gents, let's concentrate. Just draw around the jab. Building the head, 9 out of 10 will help you win the end. You have the best time of your life when you're on the green. Sometimes you feel you are on strife, trying your best to win. You're on the mat, so concentrate.